Ghuskhor Pandit, an upcoming Netflix thriller starring Manoj Bajpayee, has landed in controversy soon after its official announcement. The film and its teaser were revealed at Netflix Next on Netflix event held in Mumbai on Wednesday. While the teaser drew attention and curiosity, the film's title quickly became the focus of criticism and public outrage. In the film, Manoj Bajpayee plays Ajay Dikshit, a corrupt and morally flawed police officer who is known by the nickname Pandit. The film is directed by Ritesh Shah and co-written by Shah along with Neeraj Pandey. The cast also includes Nusrat Bharucha and Sadip Salim in key roles. The controversy began shortly after the teaser was released. A Mumbai-based lawyer sent a legal notice to Netflix and the film's makers, objecting to the title Ghuskhor Pandit. The notice states that combining the word Pandit, which refers to a priest or religious scholar, with Ghuskhor, a term commonly used for someone who accepts bribes, is defamatory. The lawyer argued that the title hurts the dignity and sentiments of the Pandit community. Soon, the issue moved beyond legal action and led to protests. On Thursday, a group identifying themselves as Brahmins staged a protest in Bhopal, the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Hundreds of people, dressed in traditional dhoti kurta, gathered on the streets. They accused the film of insulting Brahmins and portraying their community in a negative and disrespectful way. The backlash also attracted political attention. Former Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister and BSP Chief Mayawati criticized the film and its makers. She wrote in Hindi, "It is a matter of great sorrow and concern that not only in Uttar Pradesh alone but now even in films, the word Pandit is being portrayed as an infiltrator, thereby insulting and disrespecting the entire community across the country. This has caused tremendous anger among the whole Brahman society at present, and our party strongly condemns this in the harshest terms. The central government should immediately impose a ban on such a casteist film." This is the demand of the BSP. Responding to the criticism, Manoj Bajpayee released a statement saying, "I respect the emotions and concerns people have shared, and I take them seriously. When something you are part of causes hurt to some people, it makes you pause and listen. As an actor, I come to a film through the character and the story I am playing. For me, this was about portraying a flawed individual and his journey of self-realization. This was not meant to be a statement about any community." He also supported Neeraj Pandey and said removing the promotional material reflects the seriousness with which the concerns are being taken. Earlier, Pandey clarified that the title does not reflect the caste or religion of the character. Ghuskhor Pandit is scheduled to release on Netflix later this year, though it is unclear if it will face a ban. For now, the teaser has been taken down.